Hello people, I wanted to show you how to enable topology mirror in Maya. For example, if you move this vertex, this will automatically move. And you can use as well soft selection, symmetry, topology, and automatically we have selected. You can see this is half of the mouth and topology. You can see the points will be visible. I have to go to sleep in a minute. This is what we needed. Because I wanted to update my model from 2020, which I didn't finish yet. This will also work if you want to scale. It could be useful if you want to use blend shapes to create a smile and shapes like that. But make sure I don't see points for nose. This works. You have to make sure you have proper topology. I have to finish my model. I forgot to mention you can adjust soft selection. How can I delete this? Oh, you can reset curve. And it will be okay. I hope you like my video tutorial. I showed you how to use modeling toolkit topology mirror.